Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2012 government pass question. Question number 36, and the question here says the Sharia legal system was first introduced in the Fourth Republic in Dash. The Sharia legal system was first introduced in the Fourth Republic in the Dash. So the question is asking about this states in Nigeria where the Sharia law began. But we are told that it was in Fourth Republic. But which of these states in the Fourth Republic? Option A say Kano State, B say Katsina State, C say Zamfara State, D say Sokoto State. So Sharia law actually started in Fourth Republic, correct? But it was in Zamfara State. That is where we had the story. We had the story of cutting of ants. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.